Let's see how to remove Hostinger coming soon page. So at first we will remove the coming soon page from our custom website or domain, and after that we will remove the coming soon page from the Hostinger website builder. First of all, we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel. Here we will see the web hosting section. Click on manage from here. Now select the website from which you want to remove the coming soon page. Now click on File Manager from here. Now click on public_HTML from here. Now right click on this index file and then delete it from here. Now we are going to see how to remove coming soon page from the Hostinger website builder. From the Hostinger Edge panel dashboard, click on Websites. Now edit the Hostinger website from here. Now from the top, click on this public icon. And here you will see coming soon mode. Just turn it off from here. Now click on update website. And in this way coming soon page will be turned off from Hostinger website builder. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.